Leyla's Snowdrift City Adventure. Leyla zipped her coat up to her chin. The air in Cars bit her cheeks like a playful puppy. "Brr, it's cold, Uncle Eris," she whispered. Cars is famous for being one of the coldest cities in Turkey, tucked way up high in the far east of the country. It was the perfect place for a winter adventure. Uncle Eris smiled, his breath turning white in the crisp air. "The altitude helps keep it snowy, Leyla. We are high up here, but Cars is more than just snow. It's a city built on history, layer by layer, like a giant snowdrift." Their first stop was the giant stone sentinel watching over the city, Cars Castle. "This fortress was first built over 800 years ago," R.S. explained. "Imagine all the kings and armies who stood right where we are standing now." They climbed the winding path up to the top. From the battlements, Leyla could see the whole city spread out like a cozy map, bordered by white hills. Cars has been ruled by many different empires, Ottomans, Russians, and others. That mix is what makes its history so special, Aras said. The next morning, they drove out to a place even older and grander, the Ani ruins. Ani was once called the City of 1001 Churches, Aras told her. In the Middle Ages, it was a huge, bustling capital city. "We are standing right near the border with Armenia now." Leyla walked through the vast, empty fields where churches and walls still stood against the fierce wind. Giant arches framed the wide, frozen landscape. It was strange to think that hundreds of thousands of people once lived here. After exploring the ruins, they needed warmth, and Uncle Eris had a special plan. "Time for nature's beauty," he announced. "We are going to Lake Sildir. It is so cold here in the winter that the entire lake freezes solid enough to drive on." When they arrived, the lake was a giant sheet of white ice. Leyla laughed as they climbed into a horse-drawn sleigh, wrapped in thick blankets. Sleigh rides on the frozen lake are a popular winter activity in Cars. Back in the warm city, Aras bought them some famous Cars food. "Cars is famous for two things," he said, handing her a slice of bright yellow cheese. "Goose meat, especially in winter, and delicious gravy cheese, a recipe brought here long ago." Leyla felt full of history, snow, and cheese. Cars was a beautiful city, cold and ancient, yet warm and welcoming. "It's amazing how much history fits under all that snow," Leyla decided, already planning her next winter visit.